Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to set up Klaviyo and how you are going to do email marketing through Klaviyo. This is a tutorial for beginners. If someone's going to start from the scratch on Klaviyo, this is the best tutorial for you. So let's get started. But before we go further, let me tell you why Klaviyo is a really good marketing tool, because this tool allows you to easily use it and has cool features. One great thing about it is that it can automatically send emails based on what customers do. So if someone wants to buy something from an online store, Klaviyo can send them special emails. And it also helps businesses obviously understand how well their emails are doing. People like Klaviyo because it's simple, works with online shops, and helps send the right emails to the right people. Klaviyo has that feature over here. And to get started, just click on sign up from over here. Once you click on that, it will take you right over here and you are going to write your email address, password, company name, company website, phone number, and obviously why are you going to be using this Klaviyo website. So you can go with the your own business or client business. I'm just going for the own business obviously. And after that, we are going to click on create account. So I'm just going to fill all of these requirement right now. So once you enter the all details, you will end up over here and they will ask you how would you describe your business. You can just click on that and start searching for your own industry over here. For this tutorial, I'm just going to click on education and click on continue. Once you click on that, thanks, what's the main focus for your business right now? I'm just going to click on sell online courses or content over here. You can go select any one of them regarding your website and your work. Just click on continue. After that, we have next, like your primary business platform. If you don't have it, obviously you can just click on I don't use a platform, or you can go with any one of them and you need to connect that through your account as well. I'm just going to click on I don't use a platform. And once you click on that, you just need to tell how many people in your company right now. I'm just going to click on less than 1K and you need to enter your business address as well over here. So I'm just going to fill all of this and click on continue. So once you enter your details, you will see something like this. Check your email. Why? Because it will activate your account with the link has been sent to your email. So if I go back to my email, you can see this is what I have received. I'm just going to click on confirm email and it will open up a new window where you are going to end it up on your dashboard. This is where you will start working on. At the start, you will see set up your account. Obviously, they are going to guide every single thing. But if you don't want to follow that, I'm here to guide you. On the left side of the menu, you have home. Obviously, if you click on home, you will see all the things happening on your website over here. Everything from the overview. So here you can see business performance summary. So you will see all those over here. Performing flows. We have recent campaigns flows. And obviously, you can get the access of all campaigns by clicking on this as well. And all the things which is necessary for your homepage will be over here. You can obviously click on view dashboard if you want. You can obviously click on view all flows to see all the flows over here. On the left side of the menu, we have multiple things, which is campaigns. Obviously, you can create campaigns and obviously you can create campaigns for email and also SMS, which we will talk about this later on. On the left side of the menu, we have flows as well. Once you click on flows, you will end up over here. This is where you are going to create your flows. But flows should have a different tutorial. If you need that, just comment down below. In this tutorial, obviously, I was going to explain the setup and the campaigns, which we will talk about later on. For now, I'm just going to show you what else you can do on your Klaviyo. On the left side, we have sign up forms. You can create that. We have audience and obviously we have contents. We have analytics and conversation where you can go and access your stuff over here like an inbox. But if you go in your campaigns, this is where we are going to create a campaign, right? At the top right corner, just click on create campaign. And here we have some options. Create campaign name first of all. Obviously, I'm just going to write winter collection. Oh, this is all about the demo. So I'm just going with the random things over here. So bear with that. And after that, we have date over here. We have email, setup, SMS, and push. So I'm just going with the email for now. And we have tags over here. You can add tags because to organize stuff. So I'm just going to write over here winter. And that's it. Once you add that, click on save and continue. Once you click on save and continue, we have recipients. You can send to recipients over here. I'm just going to write over here like preview list. And we have don't send to, you can also add that as well over here. We have skip recently emailed profiles and tracking. Leave it as it is. And after that, what you are going to click on at the bottom right corner, continue, and you will end up over here. Campaign content and preview text. You are going to write that over here. And I'm just going to write obviously winter collection, and preview text would be collection, and click on drag and drop. Once you click on drag and drop on the right side, it would take you right over here, and this is the template of the email marketing campaigns. You can see right away they have created very beautiful campaigns template over here. You can choose any one of them, and at the top right corner we have create blank email, but I would say go for any template over here, otherwise you are going to create from the scratch. If you want to do that, just click on create blank email. But for this tutorial, I'm just going with a random one over here, which is going to be look good, obviously. And let's scroll down. Let's see which one we can use. On the left side, we can see that this looks good and very minimal as well. And just click on that, preview it if you want. We have mobile view as well. And this is how it's going to be look like on mobile. Obviously, this is maybe like very slim for some reason, but this might look something different, which we will see later on as well. But right now I'm just going to use this template because this looks good in my opinion. And once you click on that, it will open up an editor page where you are going to edit every single thing. On the left side of the menu, we have contents and styling. This is where you are going to work on, and this is the view which we were talking about. Now, if you want to edit anything over here, obviously just click on that. And on the left side, you will see all the properties related to that. You can see we can remove this logo as well. I'm just going to remove it. I'm not going to add any logo over here because I want to give an announcement for winter collection. And I'm just going to click on this Black Friday, and I'm just going to write over here winter collection, or you can say winter collection like this. So once you write that, obviously on the right side, you will see all the preview, whatever you are going to work on the left side. We have background color. If you want to add that, you can also do that. I'm going to add a light blue color, so you can see over here, and you can add the border as well, but I'm just going to disable this. We have background color for the block. This is going to be the block. You can enable this as well, but leave it as it is in my opinion. We can set the font as well over here. We have display options on the right side, just remember that. And here we can add multiple stuff as well. Once you're done with this, on the left side, we have blocks as well. If you want to add something more over here, more images, you can just click and drag that over here and start adding images as well. You can browse image from over here, and you can upload your own image. You can upload through your URL, your online store. So there are a lot of stuff you can do from over here, as you can see on the left side. But I'm just going to leave it as it is. We have image settings over here, link address, image sizing if you want to go ahead and do that. And obviously if you want to delete something, just hover over it and click on delete. You can make a copy out of it if you want to, so you can do that as well. You can go ahead and click on favorite if you want. And if you want to change this, you can also do that. Just click on this option. We can change the links as well by clicking on this. This is going to be our first link, right? You can change this to something different if you want, so you can also do that. And you can set the background for each as well. So in my opinion, this is one of the best way to edit your own email marketing thing over here. And if you want to change the fonts, you can font color, you can also do that. Font styling, you can also do that. So they are allowing you to edit every single thing. And once you're happy with this, check out this on your mobile version. And on the right side at the top, you will see preview and test. And you can save that as well from over here. If you click on preview and test, just wait for a while. This is how it's going to be look like. Click on done, or you can just send it from over here. Once you click on send, you are going to enter the recipient email address over here and click on send. So that's it. This is how you are going to create email marketing. And so for the pricing, you will see once you click on pricing, you will end up over here. We were using the free version, and you can see that starting at 500 monthly email send, we have 150 free monthly SMS and include applicable SMS carrier fee. So just remember that. Otherwise, if you want to go for more, you can go with this one or this one. So make sure go ahead and slightly check this all out. and you can select through this as well, like how many contacts you have. If you select that, you will see that over here. Select the contacts, how many contacts you have, and you can select the plan as well. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to do it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.